This first part, we will talk about Evelyn Glennie. In this video, you will come to know about the chapter sketch, the part-wise summary of it, and the chapter highlight. And after that, I will give you an assignment and you have to complete that. So let's start with the video. So at first, the chapter sketch. This is the first part of the chapter. As I have already told you, the sound of music. In this part, we will study about the very famous xylophone player, an extraordinary percussionist. Percussionist means drummer who used to play drums. Evelyn Glennie, who, in spite of being deaf, earned name in the field of playing xylophone. It has been noticed that Evelyn Glennie has started becoming deaf at the age of 8 and she became profoundly deaf. Profoundly it means that she was not able to listen anything, okay, because of some nerve damage in the ear. Instead of that, she started pursuing for music. So you can understand that how important your listening skills are when you are pursuing for music, because you have to listen each and every beat, each and every tune. But when you are deaf and you are not able to listen that, still you are pursuing for this. So how hard that is. And still she has managed to do that. So we are going to learn something from her story, that what was the hard work like, what she has done to achieve this kind of mastery in the music, and all these kind of things. Now in the next slide you will see, we'll talk about characters. So here there are two main characters in this story. First one is obviously Evelyn Glennie, who has been a renowned xylophone player who was deaf but managed to overcome her disability. And the another one is Ron Forbes. This gentleman was a percussionist who spotted the potential and motivated Evelyn to play drums. Okay, he was the person who motivated, means other teachers have started demotivating. No, you are not able to hear the tunes, they are not able to hear the music or beats, so you are not able to pursue the dream in music. Ron Forbes, on the other side, he said that yes, obviously you can also do that, but for that you have to do certain things, and all those things we will come to know through the summaries. Okay, so Ron Forbes, who was, you can say that he is the guru of Evelyn Glennie. Now, this is the preview of the part-wise summary of the chapter. I have divided the summary in 4 parts. You can see Evelyn Glennie is playing drums. The first part is Evelyn lost her hearing. What age and what has happened, that we are talking about. Second part is Evelyn did not give up. Okay, means she was suffering with deafness, but still she wanted to pursue the dreams in music. So she did not give up. So we will read about that. Third one is Evelyn senses music. Okay, she was not, when someone is not able to listen the music, they started sensing it. She started feeling it. So that she has happened, what has happened on this. And last one is Evelyn and inspiration. So let's see what is there in the first one. Evelyn lost her hearing. This part is about a Scottish girl named Evelyn Glennie. She was very fond of music and wanted to make it her life. Evelyn lost her senses of hearing. It was first noticed when she was 8 years old. By the age of 11, she was completely deaf due to nerve damage. Second part is Evelyn did not give up hope. As you can see in this picture, that how profoundly she is looking at the things, she is learning the things. So that was her ability. She did not give up hope. She was not able to listen it, but still she was going on the dream of music. So let's read it. Evelyn was determined to lead a normal life and pursue her interest in music. One day she noticed a girl playing xylophone. Xylophone is an instrument where you can see in the first picture that there are certain metals and by banging those metals through a stick with the help of a stick, and you're making sound. So that is called xylophone. These are coming in different sizes. So she has seen that there is a girl who's playing xylophone and she got fascinated with that, and she also wanted to learn that musical instrument. Most of the teachers discouraged her, but percussionist Ron Forbes encouraged her. Ron Forbes, about whom we have already learned in the characters, he began by tuning two large drums on different notes. Okay, so Ron Forbes started giving training to Evelyn by setting up two huge drums, and he told her to feel the music in the body. Okay, that we'll read in the next part. He began by tuning two large drums to different notes. Evelyn could feel the different notes of the drum in her body. Now, third one is Evelyn did not give up hope. Beside deaf, and she was not able to listen, but still she wanted to pursue the career in music. So it needs a great amount of courage and great amount of determination. So Evelyn did not give up the hope, and she was going through it. So the rest of was sheer determination and hard work. She traveled the United Kingdom with a youth orchestra, and by the time she was 16, she had decided to make music. So she auditioned for the Royal Academy of Music, which is the most prestigious music academy in England and also in the world. So she auditioned for it and got a highest score in the history of academy. At the end of her 3 years course, she had received most of the top awards. Now let's moving on to the third part, where we'll talk about that how Evelyn started sensing the music, how Evelyn started feeling the music. You can see in this picture that she is standing on the top of a wooden platform, barefoot, and she was playing drums. She explains the music through every part of her body. It tingles in the skin, her cheekbones, and even in her hair. When she plays the xylophone, she can sense the sound passing up the stick into her fingertips. By leaning against the drums, she can feel the resonances flowing into her body. On a wooden platform, she removes her shoes so that the vibration passes through her bare feet and up her legs. So you can understand that how much effort she used to put to understand the music. Obviously, when you are not normal, when you are special, at that point of time you have to put some extra effort to understand all kind of things. So she was deaf, she was not able to listen to the music, so she started finding out that what are the other ways by which she was able to feel the music. So this was her way, which was taught by Ron Forbes. Evelyn, an inspiration. Evelyn is a perfect example that disability cannot stop a person to achieve if he or she is determined and work hard towards it. Evelyn earned many awards and rewards. She has given enormous pleasure to millions. It has been said by Evelyn Glennie that she started doing programs for the prisoners and for the girls, the orphanage at the beginning. Now we are moving on to the chapter highlights. Let us see that what are the things which we have learned from this video. Evelyn lost her hearing ability at the age of 11, but she started losing it at the age of 8. Evelyn wanted to play xylophone, but she was discouraged by all the other teachers. Ron Forbes encouraged Evelyn to play xylophone, and after that, she never looked back. Later on, she became the most sought after xylophone player and a hectic international schedule. She claims that music flows throughout her body in the form of vibration. She was conferred upon by many awards like Soloist of the Year, and she was an icon, an inspiration and motivation for the disabled. So these are the things, these are the chapter highlights which we have learned from this chapter. Now you will also get an assignment along with this video. So I will request you to please complete that in your notebooks. And there is one more important thing, important message which I wanted to share with you, that please don't go for any other app which are paid app or anything like that, those who are promising that you have to pay money to learn about something. We are working hard and we are making videos for you guys, so don't worry about it. Your education will be taken care by us. So don't do that. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Hello students. We are always working towards making your online study experience better. So this is our a small contribution from Sri Vasishtha Vidyalaya. We have created a web page, and the ID of that is written on this slide. When you are clicking on this, you will go to a page and which will look like this, and you can see that it is written as SVV study material. So in this page, whatever the things, whatever the requirements you have, whether it is a test thing or whether you have any doubts or whether you have to find out assignments, everything is available in this. Now I will take you to the next slide in which I will tell you about more in this page. As you can see, there are 4 options available here. The first one is new test assessment syllabus for class 1 to 10 and 12. So wherever you will click on this, you will come to know that what is the syllabus for that week's test, and that is so simple. Next one is an information. If you are going to this web page through your mobile phone, so you have to tilt your phone and that will give you a better view. Third is for any subject related query, and you can see a click here button. So if you click on that, our Google form will open. In that you can fill your name, the teacher's name whom you ask the doubt, and what is the doubt you have, and you will press submit, and after that this will be recorded in our web page, and that particular teacher will call you and will solve your doubts. And the last one is Google Classroom code for class 6 to 10. We are also going to have Google Classrooms, and in this class 6 to 10, every classes has been divided into sections. We will talk about that later. Now we are moving on to the next part, which is very important. This is the most important part, in which you can see on the top in green tabs it's written pre-primary, primary, middle, secondary, senior secondary, test and result. So you can click on any of these tabs. Like if you are in class 6 to 8, then you have to click on the tab middle. If you are in 9th and 10th, then you have to click on secondary. If you are in 11th and 12th, then you have to click on the senior secondary. And for the test, you have to click on the test tab, and for the result of that test, you have to go to the result tab. Whenever you are clicking on this tab, so you can see it is here that junior KG and senior KG, this one has opened. So you will see all the subjects in it, and whenever you are clicking on any of these subject, you will be able to access all the videos and the links of this, all the assignments and all the ebooks which has been uploaded so far. So go for it, check the website, and whatever the queries you have, you can ask in your doubt sections. Thank you. That's all.